If it is a thick one, we are putting one thumb gap. If it is a thin one finger gap is there. So it should be in the 45 degrees angle. Always 45.
Okay.
Correct. And the distance should be maintained.
Okay.
Distance should be maintained. And there should not be any gaps between the wire and the
Okay.
branch. These are points are very important. First is holding the branch and tightly. That means we are giving a grip. If it is the one here, when we are wiring this.
So branch आया तो I am leaving more distance.
No, don't. This distance should be the same. Here,
अच्छा, distance
here,
will be the same.
here, ऐसा होगा.
Okay.
तो अभी यहाँ पे ज़्यादा डिस्टेंस ज़्यादा हो गया ना,
थोड़ा ऊपर से.
यहाँ पे डिस्टेंस बहुत ज़्यादा हो गया ये. हाँ ओके, बीच में
Practice से आएगा ज़्यादा.
Practice से wiring is more important thing. This is when you are wiring the main trunk line. That is the fundamental wiring. Like the structural wiring both. Remove this one. Remove this one.
यहाँ पे भी नहीं, यहाँ पे नहीं है, बाहर है. ठीक है, आउटसाइड.
Now, actually, no. You see here. Now, if you see here, no, this is the main trunk line. If you here, now you can see completely clear trunk line. See, now we are selecting already. This is the plant is Kamini plant. Always this Kamini plant is this is one of the best plant for the beginners. Because many branches will be there for the practice. So many branches will be there. They are having the alternate this one. So the Kamini plant is a good one for making into a bonsai in for the beginning. For your practice also. So now after this, first when you are removing the limb, this is one of the plant that gives very fast growth will be there in this plant. Not only that one, it is a flowering plant, fragrance will be there. But tomorrow I am giving a ficus plants to you. I am not giving the Kamini plant. So I am giving the ficus plant. Beach mirror. We are doing both the branches. No? You have to start from the back. One should go here. One should. इधर grip नहीं आपको, एक turn भी नहीं हो रहे. So you have to take a turn from here and go like this. Okay.
One more round.
One more round and you have to go from here. Okay.
Okay.
Means when you are looking a plant at from one angle, it looks so beautiful. बाहर भी आप देख लो, ये angle से how is be so much beautiful. So you feel like taking the photograph of that side. So like that, each plant is having the same thing. So when we are displaying the plant, so we are showcasing that plant in front of the audience. So we are placing on a table or then we are placing that. Actually, all 360 degrees the plant will be developing, but why we feel like one plant, the trunk line is showing the maturity and aesthetic look of the curves will be there. So that's why we are taking that one as the front side. Okay. Now, if you are keeping this one as the front side, there is one branch growing here. What is this one? It is covering the main trunk. When the leaves are coming, it is covering the main trunk line. This one is called as eye poking branch. Is it coming into our eyes? So that's why we have to remove this branch.